Here's a few pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. It's lower grade material. Rules in millimetres, the material's been wetted. We'll just go in a bit closer. This is basically being sold as practice material. It's not very expensive. It's nice hard rock, so it'll polish up nicely. You can use the back of that piece like that as a backing for a doublet if you wanted to. This material is used quite often for that. Piece like this, just cut a shape out probably and just make it into a pendant type shape. It's a pretty little specimen, typical of little Boulder Opal piece. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.